Vitamin C face mask to brighten your skin instantly. All of us are already familiar with the effect and health benefits of vitamin C for our health. But did you know that you can also include vitamin C in your everyday beauty routine because of its amazing effects on our skin? Vitamin C is key ingredient in so many skincare products of cosmetic industry. Vitamin C has its amazing antioxidant properties, and it can protect the skin from various weather conditions, brightens the skin, reduces redness, and helps with acne and pimples. Vitamin C is important in the synthesis of collagen that improves the skin elasticity and prevents wrinkling of the skin. It also has important role in the fight against free radicals that speed up the aging of the skin. It can reduce hyperpigmentation of the skin and make your complexion even and your skin bright. Vitamin C face masks. With aloe vera. 5 grams of vitamin C. You can use 10 tablets or 1 teaspoon of vitamin C powder and 3 milliliter of aloe vera gel with vitamin E and tea tree oil. You can find it in every pharmacy. Crash the tablets or just pour in the powdered vitamin C in a pot that is ceramic or glass. Add the aloe vera gel and mix with plastic spoon until it all looks well homogenized. Spread the mask fast over your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Wash away with warm water, massaging with circular movements. Repeat the treatment 2 to 3 times a week. This mask will make your skin brighter, soft, and fresh, and signs of hyperpigmentation will soon fade away. With water. Mix a tablespoon of vitamin C powder with 1/2 tablespoon of filtered water. Mix until it becomes nice mass and apply on your face. Leave it on 10 to 15 minutes and remove with wet cloth. Avoid the area around your eyes. If you have dry skin, you can use pure aloe vera gel instead of water. With vitamin E, mix a tablespoon of vitamin C powder and 2 capsules of vitamin E. Add few drops of water. Rub it on your face with circular movements. Avoid the area around the eyes. Leave on for 10 minutes and wash off with warm water. Be careful, you need to know that vitamin C is not the best choice for every skin type. It is better to avoid it if your skin is irritated and because it can cause further irritations. Be careful during the first use and try on smaller part of your skin if you can use it safely. Don't go out on sunlight after you treated face with vitamin C. It oxidizes in contact with air and sunlight, so when the products with vitamin C get yellowish, don't use them. Don't forget the recommended daily dose of 500 mg of vitamin C, as well as the fruits and vegetables rich in this vitamin.